Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox. All our practicals will be performed in it. At first, download Kali Linux for virtual machine. I am using VirtualBox. That's why I am selecting OS supporting on VirtualBox. If you are using VMware, you can download OS supporting in VMware. I have already downloaded this file, that's why I am cancelling this. This is the file I downloaded. It is a compressed file. To open in your VirtualBox, we have to extract it. If extract option is not showing, you have to install WinRAR for extracting zip file. Now we can import Kali into our VirtualBox. Remember, we are importing from extracted file. Here I already have imported Kali file into virtual machine. That's why it's not coming here. Once it's loaded, click on Start. Default username and password is Kali. Finally, Kali Linux is loaded.